Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make weekly motherhood and lifestyle videos. I post them on Mondays. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm growing my family on YouTube and I'm very close to my 1,000 subscribers. I'm really grateful for everybody that has subscribed and for all the people that are watching every week. I really appreciate you guys' help. If you could also help me out by giving this video a thumbs up down below, that lets YouTube know that you like my content and it pushes it out for me and helps me gain more subscribers. So today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. It's more of like a refresh. I live in a condo and I have a nice big balcony. I really wanted to freshen it up this year because we have a 1-year-old and the balcony is where we spend our evenings. We put her to bed around 8 o'clock every night and then we like to go sit outside and watch the sunset, have a couple drinks. So that's really our space to hang out. So we wanted to make it as comfortable as possible. A few of the things that I wanted to put on there haven't come in yet from Amazon, so maybe I'll do an update for you guys later on in the summer, but for now I will show you what I have going on. I'm going to start this video though by sharing with you guys a product that was sent to me by TEAMI. So thank you TEAMI for partnering with me for this video. I'm going to show you how I use their green superfood powder and how I like to use it in my smoothie. My husband made me the smoothie this morning and I filmed it for you guys. So I'm going to insert that right now and then we'll get started with the balcony. So we're starting here with some frozen kale, frozen blueberries, and then some frozen strawberries, mango, and peaches. Then we're going to add about 2 cups of water, and not pictured here, he also added half a frozen banana as well. And then we're going to add 1 scoop of the TEAMI green superfood powder. In that 1 scoop, you're going to get 16 superfood greens, a blast of nutrition in your smoothie, and you're not going to have to worry about getting in all of those veggies for the rest of the day. I really like these TEAMI products because they are non-GMO and they're all 100% natural. If you take a look on their website, which I will link down below for you, they have tons of products for you to try, everything from teas to facial products. You can use my code ShellyShoosh25 to get 25% off of your order. And once again, I'd like to thank TEAMI for partnering with me for this part of the video. Now, if you're ready, let's get started with the balcony clean and decorate. So as you guys will see, it's looking a little grungy out here. It's looking a little bit plain. We wanted to clean it up, move things off of here that were a little bit extra. We do have a second balcony to move things to, and then add a few more touches to it.
What you're doing is making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
This rug actually turned out to be reversible, and we always had it on the darker color, but on the other side it's the lighter color. And we realized if we just flip it over, it will match way better with our decor that we put out here now. So that's what we're doing right here.
Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want
So you'll see here in a minute, on the other side, we put down a blue outdoor rug, and I like the way that that one looked so much that I bought a second one and I put it under these chairs as well, but you won't see it in this video. Like I said, I will do a refresher for you guys later on in the summer.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making
This mirror is something that was given to me, and I had painted it for our wedding to use as part of our seating chart. And we just had it lying around inside of our house and decided that we would repaint it again. So we painted it blue to match the blue rug, and then I sponged it with gold paint to give it a little bit more of a boho vibe, and then we hung it up outside.
it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I also ordered 2 large red pillows to put on top of these wavy.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
So I just put those other ones that I had from before there in place of it before the new ones got here. I really love the way everything turned out. It gives me all the boho vibes. We actually put a strip of LED lights along the side of the balcony itself. So in the nighttime, we can change the color of the lights to change the mood or to fit the mood. Like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to check out TEAMI's website and their whole array of products. Once again, my code is ShellyShoosh25. 25% off of your order of $29 or more. Follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh, and I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!